Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and today we're going to be learning how to create your first Node.js website. So without any further ado, no intro, no bullshit, no nothing, alright? Just follow me, and at the end of this tutorial I promise you will have your first Node.js website. So anyways, here's the steps. Alright, so you need some prerequisites beforehand, so you gotta download Node, obviously. I'm gonna leave this link down in the description, and you just download it, install it, you know the gist. You're not an idiot, alright? I trust you. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open CMD, and you're gonna check if you have a Node, and you're gonna see something like this, alright? It's gonna give you your version, and the same with npm. And if you have it working correctly, then you will see these two things. Alright, good and good. You can close out of that, and now you need to make the folder for your project, obviously, and you could do this via commands, but today we're just going to keep it simple. Go to a folder, alright, new folder, node.js, alright, enter it. And I'm gonna give you a bonus tip to how to upload this to GitHub desktop. You wanna do this at the start of your project, because the more you delay it, the worse it is, because you gotta handle stuff. So you come here, GitHub desktop. If you don't have it, Google it. It's easy. All right, just install it, get your account. Good. All right, you come here, add, create new repository. All right, you enter the name. I'll call it Node.js site. Okay. Now you choose the destination that you made this folder, which is this. So that's why I copied it. Enter here. Initialize with README file. Optional, but good. Alright. Now you create it. And you're going to see here, inside your Node.js, you're going to get this. Okay. And now you just publish your repository if you want, or you can continue the tutorial. Anyways, just now you want to initialize your project. First of all, you need to open Visual Studio Code. Alright, and here you go to open folder, and you paste your folder. You go into here, select it. Good. Now it's going to ask you if you trust this folder, and you do, because it's your computer, right? Obviously. Now you trust it, right? And what you do here is you open the terminal right here, new terminal, and make sure here you change it to git bash, because PowerShell kind of trash, not gonna lie. Alright, npm init -y, right? And what this is going to do is it's going to create your package.json file right here. Okay, this file you've got instantly created. Okay, so now what you want to do is you do npm install, and here you got your packages or dependencies, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to be using Express and EJS for this tutorial. And you do Express, EJS, npm install. And now what this is going to do is going to install these things. And you can see here node modules and package log.json that got instantly created for us. Now we're basically kind of set. Okay, now you need a file system, like a file tree, and here you got a simple one. So you can do here, you make a folder, make public. Alright, is this a folder or a file? Okay, I think I made a file, made a folder, public, and inside the public you can make CSS. Okay, one sec, I want to do it inside of it. There you go. And we also need a views folder. Alright, and inside here you wanna get some index.ejs file. This is like your first page basically. And now outside here I want to create a new file, app.js, right? And your package.json, you already have that. But actually let's rename this index.js. That's better, okay? And here we have some example code. You come into the index.js file and you just type this out, or you copy and paste it, clone the repo, whatever you want to do. But yeah, now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to see you right now, because, you know, YouTube magic. Or if you want to see me do this, I mean, you can see me. But it's just some auto completion, you know. You kind of need to understand these stuff, but at the same time, you know, you don't really have to that much. You can just figure it out or ask AI or do whatever. Yeah, you just do all this. Alright, it's gonna auto complete it for you. Alright, good. So now you do this. Where is the, yeah, there you go. And as you can probably see, AI does most of the heavy lifting here. It just auto completes your stuff. So your about page, you don't really need that. We don't need that right now. So const port equals, let's do 6000. Yeah, sure. Now you need to do this and this port there, and all this will go here and that, like that. Okay, I need to auto complete this. So inside here we do console logs, server running, there you go. And this is like this. Okay. Now this, I think it's functional right now. So what you do is to run your site, you just come here, node index.js, right? Now you see this server running on port 3000. This means that if you go here and you do localhost 3000, then you're gonna get your site. But since we don't have anything on our site, then we're not gonna get anything, alright? So let's go to the index.ejs file, and here we're just gonna do some simple one. Just autocomplete this, and body. Let's just do this. Let's see. There you go. Welcome to the home page. That is our thing, and that would basically be it, right? Because, you know, this tutorial is just a beginner's guide to it, because it has multiple layers, you know. Like on my other webpage I have a header, a footer, and all that. So basically I can reuse this code with EJS, because that's the main point. But in this tutorial, to keep it brief, to keep it simple, this is basically what you need. And this is a site that it already runs. I can host it in in some hosting sites, and it will run perfectly. Obviously, it won't run, it won't do anything because it's basically an empty project. But yeah, I'll leave this template in the description, the repository. If you want to fork it, if you want to just copy my code, feel free to do that. And this would basically be it. And now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, I like the video, or good job, man, or whatever. But yeah, this would be it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your days, nights, whatever. See you. Catch you soon.